Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay at restaurants. It's fast, secure and super convenient. No need to fumble for your wallet or dig for cash. Let's get right into it. Before you try to pay, make sure the restaurant supports Apple Pay. You can look for the Apple Pay logo on the door or at the corner. Ask a server or cashier if they accept it. Check the restaurant's info in Apple Maps. It often lists if they support Apple Pay. When it's time to pay, double-click the side button or home button for older iPhones. Choose the card you want to use if you have multiple cards in your Apple Wallet. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID on your passcode. Once your card is selected and authenticated, hold the back of your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. Wait for the done message on your screen or a subtle vibration to confirm the payment. Make sure the restaurant's payment terminal supports NFC for this to work. Apple Pay is widely accepted at fast food spots like McDonald's, KFC, and Subway, as well as many sit-down restaurants. Some smaller or locally owned spots might not support it yet, so it's always good to double check. And that's it. You are all set to pay like a pro without touching your wallet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.